just too foolish. Like, subscribe and share. Comment right here. I'm not like dog or YouTube lit.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. Guys, I'm so excited to be back. Finally, I'm going to be in a routine. You can expect videos at the same time every single week, and I'm just about creating content and getting back with the niche. You guys know I do beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, all that jazz. And I'm also going to be teaching persons how to capitalize on their content creation skills and how to make money from it. Just before we get into this video, I want to ask you guys kindly to just like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend for run come over here, because I'm back and I'm better. Thank you guys so much for 2K subscribers. Thank you. I so much appreciate it. I just love you guys so much, words can't explain. So yeah, now that we've got all the formalities out the way, guys, I'm here, I'm back. I did ask you guys some questions months ago, and I'm here to answer all those questions, all those topics that you gave me. I'm gonna speak on them, all that jazz, okay? All that jazz. But make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications before we get into this video, okay? Period. So I put those topics in my notes because, like I said, I was asked on Instagram months ago, but I'm finally ready. I'm back. I'm in a better mind space. God knows that this year has tested me and tried me, but I'm back and I'm in a better mental space. I'm just better in every aspect. Like, it's just my time right now, and I'm happy to be back on YouTube. You guys know YouTube is my baby. I have invested a lot of money in my channel, and I know you guys love me. I love you guys. I love to talk to my camera. I love to produce the quality content that you guys love to see, and I just love when you guys always reach out to me and tell me come back. Okay, so I don't have a lot of topics, so this will not be like an extremely long one or whatever, but I'm just going to go through and see how far we get. So the first question you guys had was, why did I cut my hair? And of course I'm going to answer you guys. This video is gonna be a very vulnerable video. I'm just going to be talking about things that I have not yet said out loud and stuff like that, but it's me and you, and you guys have been here for me even through some of my toughest times, and so I feel it's only right that I do what you ask. And since you guys have asked me to speak on a topic or whatever, I can go ahead and do that. So you guys know I've struggled with a lot of things. I've been transparent with you guys. I've struggled with my confidence, and you guys have watched me transforming this confident woman, this woman who does her best all the time. I know you guys remember when I couldn't even vlog in public. I was scared of talking to the camera. I wouldn't look in the camera. I'd always be looking up, and you guys are always patient with me and kind, and my comment section was always kind, and for that I will always be grateful to you guys, because you really don't know how much social media makes or breaks a person until you're in the public's eye or you're on social media lots. And I don't want to get teary-eyed and all that emotional jazz, but yeah, I'm just going to answer the question. So I cut my hair in August of this year, and this year has been really rough for me. It's only 10 months into the year. The year's almost finished. Let me not say it's just, because the year is almost finished, and so far this year I've been through really bad breakup with a person for over a year, almost 2 years, a year. It was a year and a half, right? And that's a really long time for you to get to know a person and understand a person that you spoke with about stuff like marriage and kids and make future plans and all of that, and to see that you losing that can do a lot to a person. I was very depressed on my birthday this year. I was very sad because it was just not what I expected, not what I wanted. I'm the type of person that I used to be so celebratory or yeah, that word. I would always want to celebrate my birthday. You guys have seen where even in COVID, I threw myself a COVID party, a virtual party. The next year after that, I went to a hotel. Last year, I was in America for my birthday. And even then, my birthday last year was also very depressing. But the one this year hit different because I had a lot going on. You guys know I started a new job this year. I moved this year. And it has been very hard settling in a new parish, in a new job. But the real reason why I really opted to cut my hair is because every time that I've ever cut my hair, I feel better instantly. I don't know what it is, but whenever I feel sad, when my hair is damaged, I feel very, very sad. I like to be in my healthiest state, my healthiest mind, my healthiest body, and my healthiest hair. And if it is not healthy, I don't see the point in keeping it. And this is how I operate in all aspects of my life. If the relationship is not healthy, I'm not going to hold on to it, no matter who you are, even if you are my parent. If it is not healthy, I will never opt to hold on to it. And so that is the real reason why I opted to cut my hair, because it was not healthy, and I feel like it was time. I was very sad. It was the start of my self-love journey all over again. Yeah, I think I answered that perfectly. The next topic on the list, come on now, is apologies. So as it relates to apologies, for one, I will always apologize if I think I've done something wrong, even if I'm not quite sure that I did something wrong and you feel like I have wronged you. I will always try my best to apologize. I know a lot of persons say they don't forgive and whatever. I do forgive. I'm a very forgiving person sometimes, and that's because we all want forgiveness. And if God, I do believe in God, and if God can forgive us multiple times that we've wronged and we continue to wrong, and He's still forgiving us, who am I? Who am I, less than perfect, to not forgive and not apologize? Like, that would be so unfair of me. And so yes, I do apologize when I'm wrong. I think apologies are very important. I will always stand up for myself and ask for apology. Like, there's a lot of things I always like teach even my sister. I tell her all the time, if you're wrong, apologize and think about ways that you're going to move forward. But it is very important that you apologize, and not only apologize but mean it, because a lot of people can apologize. You can apologize and not mean it. So it's very important that you apologize, mean it, because it sets you free. It sets you free, and look at ways how you can move forward and try not to do it in the future. That's very important. Breakups. Breakups are very hard. Like, personally, as a friend, as a lover, as any capacity that I could be in. I give us my best. I always try to give my best self. I always try to be the best Tisha that I could ever possibly be. I always try to strive for the highest heights in a relationship, in a friendship. I always try to just be the best of me. And so my breakups always hit different. Friendship breakups, intimate relationship breakups, they always hit different because half the things that I have been through, like I would literally never do it to another person. And it's okay, it's a part of life. Breakups are a part of life. Like, not everybody is compatible, not everybody will get along. Some people pretend, they can only pretend for so long. Some of us are at fault. Some people think you're too much. Some people take you as competition. It's just not meant to work out. And I'm a strong believer in the universe and things manifesting and manifolding in the exact way that it was meant to. And so if I believe that anybody that I lose, it was never meant to keep in the first place. Not every loss is a loss. You don't know what the universe just blocked. You don't know what blessing is going to come. It's going to bloom, it's going to blossom from you losing that person from your life. And some people, whether we want to accept it or not, or believe it or not, some people do hold us back. Sometimes we break up with people, whether friendship or intimate or otherwise, and we just soar to the highest of heights. Like, we didn't even know that we could get to this high, and we've surpassed that so far. Like, love is a hell of a thing. It clouds judgment. It's not a bad thing. Love is always a good thing, but it clouds with judgment. It does not distinguish certain things from us, and that's why I say some breakups are necessary. Not every loss is a loss. Never have regrets. My advice. How to know when it's time to end a relationship. So sometimes things expire and we hold on to them, but we all see what expired things can do. If milk expire, you have it in your fridge, same, what happens? If cheese expires and you have it in your fridge, the same, what happens? It's literally rotting away. And so I've used this in life. You have to know when to walk away, and you have to not feel bad for doing what's best for you and for walking away. Not every loss is a loss. Not every loss is a loss. And even though it may feel hard, it is never too hard. I always hear people say, God not give a man more than he can bear. And I've seen that, I've experienced that, I've just seen that in so many aspects of life and this whole journey. And so it's always important that we trust in the plans that have been aligned or laid out for you even before you were born. So I've learned this year to stop taking things too seriously. So now I live simply. I do whatever I feel is necessary. I don't take things too seriously. I try to enjoy the moment as much as possible. Things expire and that's okay. Like, it's literally okay, I promise you. It won't even matter a year from now. When I look back on last year and things that I was mad about or even worried about, I look at them now and it seems so trivial. Like, really? Like, that was what I was upset about. That was what I was mad about. So it's never like that. Femininity. This is something that a lot of persons are working towards this year, me included. So we want to live that aesthetic life, soft life, softly handled. We want to be like no sadness, happy all the time, no pressure, all that. And I'm with it. I'm totally with it. I totally understand. I want to be in that life myself, and of course everybody's self-life, everybody's femininity is different. Some people is speaking soft and not being too angry. Some people it's material things, dressing in brands. Some people it's their life being aesthetic, so their phone in a nice case, they have a nice wallpaper, their room is very aesthetic, and that's okay. Everybody's definition is different, and that's fine. Whatever you think is femininity for you or good feminism, then that's okay. Like for me, I want to be that girl. I want to be all those things and more. So I want to focus on shouting less and just be. I want to be of a calmer nature, a calmer aura. I want to just experience a calm spirit. Like person just see me and I want to like just dainty, like not too much exposed, like, you know, I want to live in that era. I want to, I don't know, but that's what I see, that dainty kind of living. That's what I want to experience when I think about femininity. And nothing is wrong with that. Everybody has their own paths, their own journeys, their own life, and that's okay. Whichever route you choose to take, that's okay. There's no problem with it. Nobody knows more than anybody. We are all living this life. It's far from perfect. Of course, some of us have more experience than some. That does not mean that me know more than you or you know more than me, because at the end of the day we can only empathize with each other, because no two persons live the same life. Like, it's never that serious, I promise you. Like, it's never that serious. The next girl chat topic I have is finding peace. I've always been a very peaceful person. You've seen how I operate. I don't really have a lot of people in my circle. I'm always at home. This is just my life. This is not only my life on camera, this is my life off camera. I try to keep my circle as small as possible. I'm a person that I thrive off being alone, and of course too much of one thing is not good. But I do go out, I do have fun, I do have my friends, I do have a best friend, I do talk to people, and they do understand this is just how I operate. I don't go out much, I don't like going out much, I don't like parties. That's just not me, and that's okay. Like, it's okay to not fit in, and it's okay to like different things from other people. It's never that serious. Like, come on now. So finding peace is just different from everybody, just like all other topics that I said. Like, it's never that serious. If you're finding peace is staying at home and watching YouTube, then that's okay. And if you finding peace is going on solo dates, that is also okay. Like, who am I to say? It's never that serious. Anything, any which way that you choose to deal with certain things, that's okay. Peace is something that we all need to achieve. Balance your mental. For me, I don't like to be in a clutter. I don't like to be around people for too long. I like my mental health balance, because as soon as it is thrown off, I literally feel like my head is about to burst. I don't like to think for too long about certain things. Like, I thrive off my own company. I just like to be by myself. I like to reconnect. I like to, I don't know, it's just peaceful for me like that. Let me see if there's anything on the list that I missed. Love and perspective. I think I spoke about that. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. It was so nice getting that off my chest. I really enjoyed talking to you guys. If you guys would like more of these kind of videos, I am open to suggestions for like topics, things that you want to hear, things you want me to talk about. I just gonna ask you to leave it down in the comment section below. If you like this video, drop a comment, drop a like, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend that I'm back. Guys, please, I need your support. You guys know I've been missing for a long time, so it's gonna take a while. It's gonna take you telling people that I'm back for them to even realize that I'm back. So I'm asking you guys to also do your due diligence. I love you guys so much. So much. Bigger and better things are on the way. Also, if you guys want us to room tour, you can tell me. It's nothing too fancy because I'm still in the decoration process. As you can see, my walls are bare, my chest drawer is bare and stuff, but I can show you guys what I'm working with so far. It's kind of cute in here or whatever, so you guys can let me know. And the secret code word, if you've been this far, is butterflies. So I want you to drop 3 butterfly emojis in the comments. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Bye.